Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Sanibonani bafowethu, ninjani yaphila? Mina ngigrand. Today nge-14 zakaJulayi 2026 ngibona amavidiyo. uJacinta uthi usaba ukuthi bangamthumela kumdali abobani. Mara before ngingenelele lapho ngifuna ukunibonisa ama-point. Umuntu onalento le nalezi uzosebenzisa lento le, zizongena la zize la process. uJacob Zuma iboss yabo abahambi, onamehlo ukubona uyabona and onamadlebe ukuzwa uyayizwa lento uZuma ayikhulumayo. uZuma iboss yabo abahambi, but somewhere uZuma wenza ama-calculations ukuthi whatever happens abantu abathandayo mabe beku-safe side. Sikhuluma ngabo bani lapho? Ngabantwana bakhe, ubafake ku-safe side. That is why abantwana bakaZuma boduduzile nalomunye ubani lo khohlwa igama lakhe, mabayenza amavidiyo, mabakuma-interview, mabakuma-podcast, bathi bona ba-against i-xenophobia, but they are not against ubababo. Why? Safety. Bayenzela i-safety. Umuntu okuthandayo angeke akuthatha ayokufasela esiporweni kuzitrain athi ngiyamthemba lo uzophuma. Lokho ngikhulumela ngisho nendoda kaJacinta, if beyimthanda bengeke. Bafethu, mina ngizonipha ama-example ukuthi if nizabona ukuthi uJacinta usebenziswe njengaleya nto engeke siyikhulume. Indoda kaJacinta at this point in time ngagibela i-flight eMozambique, ngagibela i-flight eZimbabwe, angeke kwenzeke nix because akusifa abafrantanga ngaye kuleya nto. Yena uphushela lento yakhe ayibeke phambili. Iboss phela le, iboss yabo Jacinta le out. Abaphikisayo mabeze baphikise. uJacinta ngaya kulezo indawo esikhuluma ngazo. Indoda kaJacinta ngaya eGhana, ngaya eNigeria. And mayifika le ikhuluma i-statement nje isigucule isichange ethi hayi mina ngihambisana lezo zinto. uJacinta ngaya. So for nina usho ukuthini lokho? uZuma uprotecte abantwana bakhe. Indoda kaJacinta iyaziprotecta yona. uJacinta uthi usaba ukufa. Awuthi singenelele into yakaJacinta. Jacinta, if wena uyafa kulahleka yini into e-important ngawe ukuthi manje uthi i-government imele iprotect impilo yakho? Yini important ngawe? Jacinta, do you remember ukuthi kunosisi lapha eRubberidge ekliniki ufike pregnant wajikiswa because of you? She died nomntana wakhe ubholile because of you. Ngizokubalela nje ezumbalo. Do you remember usisi ozalele estradini eCosmos City wafa nakhona? Do you remember? Angeke ngikubalele zonke Jacinta. Jacinta, bayingakho abantu bajikise esibhedlela nina nabangani bakho bayobhoda. Jacinta, at this point yama-march and march mabahambe 30 June, bayingakho abantu Jacinta ababulawe lucky. Kunabantu ababalekile Jacinta eDurban baya lapha ecampini. I think kubhode abantu abayingakho lapha boma-20. Imedia mara boma-20 abantu babhodile because of you Jacinta. Jacinta, do you remember lo yasisi lo ojikiswe esibhedlela are heavily pregnant nithi makayozalela eZimbabwe. Do you still remember? I think it was you and Victoria Africa. Usayikhumbula leyo scenario? Usayikhumbula Jacinta? So yini into important ngawe Jacinta? Asikhulume ngalama number awabekiwe. uMozambique ilahlekelwa abantu abawu11 eBhayi. Sikhuluma ngalama number wamanipulatiwe wabekwa public. Abantu baseMozambique sikhuluma ngalabo abashona eBhayi, sikhuluma ngalabo abashiswe today emikhukhweni today nge-14 zakaJuly 2026. Labantu ababulawe eBhayi imedia esiphethe ireport amaphoyisa isiphethe but abantu abareceive eMozambique baningi ukudlula 11. Abantu abareportiwe 11, abantu abareceive it's more than 11 because of you. So if wena ufuna ukufa yini into awusinike nje into ekumele igovernment ikuprotecte because of yona. Abantu baseZimbabwe, abantu baseMalawi, abantu baseMozambique, Ghana, Nigeria, Zambia, loyababa lokhunyulwe eMpumalanga washaywa washiswa wayebethwa ngamatshe because of you Jacinta. Abazali babantu laba, abantwana babantu, abantu sibone abafazi bazalela lapha estradini emakhempini because of you, and some of the kids bafile lapha because of wena Jacinta. But today uzositshela ukuthi government maka protect impilo yakho important ngani Jacinta ukudlula bonke labantu. Uyini wena uyini Jacinta? Neke ukudlala ngabantu. It's just that yabona mina abantu abafana nawe Jacinta, I don't wanna lie. Yabona mhlawumbi into engakuthatha ngespeed ukuthi mina ngajabula mina personal mina ukuyibona iyenzeka ngaba amabhubisi mhlawumbi. Leyo ukuthi umuntu afike thwa ubhode hayi akumelanga iyenzeke leyo Jacinta. Jacinta wena udeserve ukuhamba ngendlela ebuhlungu njengala Jacinta bayingakho abantwana abalala estradini amalanga banethwa imvula ama-snow Jacinta unabo ubuntu wena, and awudeserve ukulwela impilo because awusumuntu Jacinta. Sengisaba ukuthi mhlambe angifuni ukuthi abantwana bami mhlawumbi bangahlangana nale video bezwe izinto bekumele ngitshele zona, but wena udeserve Jacinta, udeserve. Mina ngibona ngathi nesihobo sincane for wena Jacinta. Labathi kuse hell khona akungcono for wena. Nangu uDonald Trump usuke wayobulala abantu eIran. Today sekakhuluma ukuthi usaba ukuthi bangamu. Kanti nina ninjani ninike naye eUSA? Niyohlala nabo Trump. Kunabantu abaziyele eUSA kahle babuye kungabi indaba zalo. Nina niyohlala nabo Trump nibuya iyanicontaminate lento. Suka Jacinta hamba, if bayakuthatha mfethu hayi isikhathele. Ngathi banganithatha nonke futhi isikhathele thina Jacinta. Jacinta impilo zabantu base-Africa for thina zibalulekile. As much as impilo zamaZulu zibalulekile nakini nakithi because thina sibandlulula bantu. Maka sikhuluma ngalamaZulu owangekho abangenadlami. Laba banodlami njengawe. They must go to hell Jacinta.
The Zulu man right here is calling out Jacinta to say what you have done is not good, okay? And is actually just pointing out on incidents that happened where Jacinta was somehow involved, and is talking about a lady who was denied a medical assistant, and then from there the lady unfortunately passed away, which this is bad. Yes, I have seen a pregnant woman, a Zimbabwean pregnant woman who was denied medical assistance, but it was not Jacinta. Yes, I saw there were ladies doing that, but not Jacinta, unless if this man is saying that those people were doing this under March and March, okay, because yes, that's what all these people claim to be. They will always say, we are March and March, we, doing very horrible things. Yes. And at the same time, I do understand, man. I do understand why he is pointing her out to say, like, the way he is just calling her out, it's scary. But one thing that I know is that you can never do dirty to another person and then leave freely so. Because, like, guys, do to others what you want to be done to you. As long as you know that you wouldn't like this thing to happen to you, do not do it to the next person, because you might find yourself in the very same situation. Trust me. Guys, a lot of things happened. We are human beings. How can you deny another human being medical assistance just because of worry? This person is not from where I am, where I come from, or this person is not part of my family. While you can see that the person needs help, it doesn't make any sense, guys. We are human beings. We are human beings. All these horrible things that happened, like, it's bad, man. It's really bad. Whoever that is responsible for that, trust me, they will pay. And right now as we speak, they are conscious. Like, when they're sitting alone, they know deep down that what they did was wrong. And the fact that, what, this person unfortunately passed away because of me, it becomes terrifying. Like, it just becomes something else. Let's just hope what these people do find peace. Yes, and he's 100% true when he says Jacinta cannot travel to any African country. Very true. Why would she go there? Like, it doesn't make any sense, Shem. It really doesn't make any sense. Whatever these people did to other human beings was terrifying and horrible. I don't think a normal human being could do something like that in your normal state. I don't think you can do something like that. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?